Hey y'all, and welcome back to. You know how much I love creating cozy spaces, and there's nothing like a dedicated spot to escape into a good book. If you've ever dreamed of having your own little retreat to curl up with a warm cup of tea and a captivating story, this project is for you. Today, we're transforming a corner of your home into a charming reading nook. No big budget needed. Gather your tools and let's get started. First, we need to find the perfect location for your reading nook. Think of it like finding the perfect spot for a porch swing, somewhere tucked away and inviting. A quiet corner of your living room or a bedroom corner works great. Maybe you have a big window that begs for a cozy chair and a good book. Don't overlook spaces like under the stairs or a spare closet. With imagination, these can become charming nooks. Clear out any clutter and give the area a good cleaning. Think about what makes you feel relaxed and inspired. Choose a spot that speaks to your heart and let's get started. Now, let's talk about the most important part of any reading nook, the seating. A plush armchair is always a classic choice, inviting and comfy. If you prefer something more laid back, a beanbag chair is a fun option. For those who like to stretch out, a pile of floor cushions or a mattress pad is perfect. In smaller spaces, a built-in bench with plush cushions maximizes seating without sacrificing style. Once you've chosen your seating, give it a test run with your favorite book and a warm drink. Make sure it's a spot you can truly relax and unwind in. Now that you've got your comfy seating, let's make sure your favorite books are within arm's reach. Wall-mounted shelves are great for maximizing space. A small bookshelf tucked into the corner can double as a display for plants, candles, or other decorative items. For a modern look, consider floating shelves. They add elegance and create the illusion of more space. Baskets or crates are perfect for storing blankets, extra pillows, or books you're planning to read next. Now comes the fun part, adding those cozy layers that make a reading nook feel like a true escape. Think soft blankets, plush pillows, and a rug that feels like a warm hug under your feet. Let your personal style guide your choice of colors and materials. Neutral tones and natural textures create a calming aesthetic, but if you love a pop of color, embrace it. A bright throw pillow or a colorful rug can add personality. Create a space that feels both visually appealing and physically comforting. Good lighting is essential for a cozy reading nook. A small reading lamp on a side table provides focused light without straining your eyes. String lights or fairy lights add a touch of magic and create a warm, inviting glow. Wall-mounted sconces are great if you're short on floor space. Embrace natural light if your nook is near a window. Sheer curtains can diffuse the light and create a dreamy ambiance. Experiment with different lighting options to see what works best for your space and reading style. Now that we've got the basics covered, it's time to add personal touches that make your reading nook truly your own. This is where your creativity can really shine and transform a simple space into a sanctuary that reflects your personality and style. Think about the things you love, your hobbies, interests, and passions. Whether it's painting, knitting, or collecting vintage items, incorporating elements of your favorite activities can make the space feel uniquely yours. Hang a piece of art that speaks to your soul. It could be a painting, a photograph, or even a handmade craft. Art has the power to inspire and uplift, making your reading nook a place where you can escape and dream. Or frame some of your favorite book quotes. These words can serve as daily reminders of the stories and characters that have touched your heart and mind. Plants can add a touch of nature and create a sense of tranquility. Choose low-maintenance varieties like succulents or ferns if you don't have a green thumb. The greenery will not only beautify the space, but also purify the air. Candles or diffusers with scents like lavender, chamomile, or vanilla can create a relaxing atmosphere. The gentle flicker of a candle or the soothing aroma from a diffuser can help you unwind and focus on your reading. A small side table is perfect for a cup of tea, a vase of fresh flowers, or a stack of your current reads. It's a practical addition that keeps your essentials within arm's reach, while adding to the cozy ambiance. If you're feeling extra fancy, add a canopy or curtains for a sense of enclosure and privacy. This can make your reading nook feel like a special retreat, a little world within your home where you can escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. All right, friends, we're in the home stretch. This is the moment where all your hard work comes together. Let's add those finishing touches that make your reading nook feel complete. Think about the small details that bring you joy. A clutter-free space equals a clutter-free mind. So use baskets or storage bins to corral extra blankets, magazines, or any other items that might otherwise clutter your space. Pillows, books, and even small decorative items can find a home in these storage solutions, keeping your nook tidy and inviting. Consider hanging a curtain or using a room divider to create a visual separation between your reading nook and the rest of the room. This can help create a sense of privacy and intimacy. Add a few extra pillows in different textures and patterns to make your nook feel extra cozy. The variety will add depth and interest to your space. Drape a throw blanket over the back of your chair or the arm of your sofa. This not only adds warmth but also a touch of style. Add a bookmark or a reading journal to keep track of your thoughts and favorite passages. These personal touches make your reading experience even more enjoyable. Step back and admire your handiwork. Take a moment to appreciate the cozy, inviting space you've created. You've created a cozy and inviting space to escape and indulge in the joy of reading. Now, grab your favorite book, settle in, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. And there you have it, a beautiful, cozy reading nook built with just a few supplies. This little corner of comfort is perfect for those chilly evenings or lazy Sunday afternoons when all you want to do is curl up with a good book and a warm cup of tea. I hope this project inspires you to create a dedicated space in your own home where you can relax, recharge, and escape into a good book. Imagine the hours you'll spend here, lost in the pages of your favorite stories, or simply unwinding after a long day. Whether you're diving into a new novel, journaling your thoughts and dreams, or even sketching out your next big idea, or just enjoying a quiet moment of reflection, this space is designed for ultimate relaxation and creativity. It's your personal sanctuary, a place where you can truly be yourself. We'd love to see how your reading nook turned out. Share your cozy corners with us and let's inspire each other. Share your pictures in the comments or tag us on social media. We can't wait to see your creativity in action and how you've made this project your own. If you enjoyed this DIY tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a creative project. Your support helps us bring more fun and inspiring content to you. Until next time, stay cozy and keep crafting. Happy reading! Remember, your next adventure is just a page away. In this chapter, we'll explore some advanced tips and tricks to make your reading nook even more cozy and personalized. From adding unique lighting fixtures to incorporating your favorite scents, these tips will help you create a space that's truly your own. First, let's talk about lighting. Adding a unique lighting fixture like a vintage lamp or fairy lights can instantly change the ambiance of your nook. Opt for warm, soft light to create a calming atmosphere that's easy on the eyes. Next, consider incorporating your favorite scents. Whether it's a lavender-scented candle for relaxation or a citrus diffuser to invigorate your senses, the right scent can transform your reading nook into a sensory paradise. Another advanced tip is to add a small side table or tray for your essentials. This could be a place to set your tea, snacks, or even a notebook for jotting down thoughts and ideas as you read. Lastly, don't forget the power of personalization. Add items that reflect your personality and interests. Think framed photos, quirky art pieces, or a collection of your favorite books. These personal touches make your nook feel uniquely yours. By adding these advanced elements, you'll elevate your reading nook from cozy to absolutely enchanting. So take these tips and make your nook a true reflection of you. Happy reading, and may your nook bring you endless hours of joy and inspiration.